नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Shri Mahants, Mahants, visitors, viewers. Inner Awakening participants, YouTube subscribers, everyone sitting with us all over the world at this time through Nityananda TV, Facebook Live, YouTube Live and two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha all over the world. Cities sitting with us in two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha all over the world, a long list. So I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today I'll answer your questions from Facebook. Lot of questions are there from Facebook viewers.
Swamiji?
Yes.
Luke, who is a new Adinavasi from Toronto, is asking, how can we cause our parents for Mahasadashivoham?
Understand, whether your parents or somebody who is unknown, the first step, you need to come to the conclusion this will do the best for their whole life. This is the best thing can happen to their life. Apart from money, life, wealth, relationships, this is the best thing that can happen to their life. Only if you are very clear about that, only if you come to that conclusion, to that cognition, you can even be able to cause them. If you come to that conclusion, this is the best thing that can happen to them, then even your simple conversation will cause them. You don't need to convince them. Understand? If you carry the conviction inside, you don't need to convince them. If you are not convinced, only you need to convince them. If you are clear this is the best thing that can happen to them, then you will be able to make it happen for them. Next.
Manitya Kodandiananda has asked, how do I cause others people's reality if I'm not successful in causing my own reality?
First thing, understand. Have you started, do you feel? See, look at the whole thing from this angle. Actually, when you are many things you wanted in your life. The moment it started getting caused, it started opening up. Now the causing is a technique for you. Understand? If you are waiting, oh, I wanted 200 houses in the beach and 300 farmhouses and 400 powers, let this become reality, then I will start causing when? After your death or next Janma. The moment you have started causing your reality, it has started opening up. The moment you understand these principles are satyas, now causing is your spiritual practice. Start causing others' reality, your reality will be caused. The moment these spiritual principles have started working in you, see, it's like a inner software, new software. You push this, you download this software, start operating. If this new software has started working in you, understand, now causing is your spiritual practice. Now causing is your spiritual practice. Till this software starts working in you, you can ask this question. Once this software has started working in you, causing others' reality is your reality. So listen very carefully. The moment your reality has started manifesting through this integrity, authenticity, responsibility and completion, causing others' reality is your spiritual practice that causes your reality. Next.
Mahadaye has asked, Swamiji, how long does one need to spend time with you in order to experience your initiation?
At least 21 days. I'll strongly recommend at least 21 days, so the initiation becomes really, really strong. It starts happening really, really strong, and you start manifesting. So plan for this 25 days Mahasadashivoham. That's the best way to experience initiation. Come on, next question.
One question submitted by many of Swamiji's viewers. They ask Swamiji, I feel I have a pure and strong intention for Mahasadashivoham, but I still haven't seen the money manifested yet. What should I do?
First thing, you may feel, but you don't have. Feeling is different. You say, I feel I have a pure and strong intention for Mahasadashivoham. No, it's a feeling, not having. Fantasizing is not having intention. Fantasizing about Mahasadashivoham, okay, if it comes, great, I'll have idli, 2 days dosa. Let me just go and enjoy South Indian food and 21 days vacation. Understand? Fantasies are different and intention is different. Pure, strong intention. Pure, strong intention for Mahasadashivoham is very important. You may think you have, but you don't have. Understand? If you have the pure, strong intention for Mahasada Shivoham, already I have given you the technique. Start enriching. That is the spiritual practice. Your Mahasada Shivoham will be cast. Start reaching out, enriching. Your Mahasada Shivoham will be cast. Anybody who feels you have a pure, strong intention, start enriching. I'll cast your Mahasada Shivoham. It will be cast for you. So with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, casting, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Sada Shivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.